jug 'em, fuck 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't drop it off, drop it off. Jealous ass bitch. I'ma jug 'em, fuck 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't.
DJ Lewis Bryant, this is a hit.
I'ma jug 'em, fuck 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't drop it off, drop it off. Jealous ass bitch. I'ma jug 'em, fuck 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't love 'em, I don't drop it off, drop it off.
Happy Monday, guys. Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we made the trek out to Anaheim, California to visit this beautiful 10,000 square foot home. This is phase 2 or even phase 3 of this project, where this beautiful home, and it's settled or sank, especially in the backyard, especially this corner here. So we're helping another foundation repair company with these repairs, and in this phase of the project, we are working on the retaining wall and kind of finalizing the last of these retaining wall repairs. Let's see if you can see that behind me a little bit. We've got a beautiful mural here. But if you remember, we helped install a bunch of the tiebacks here on these retaining walls, and you'll notice that's what we've got sticking out of the wall up here. We've just got these little all thread nubs sticking out there. I think there's some around this corner too. Yeah, so if we make our way down these stairs, I can show you what we're working on today. It's gonna be a quick little visit today. The crews aren't gonna be here too long, but we do have 2 crews out here. But we can see these big old thick steel beams being thrown up, and these are going to be tied together. They're going to be welded in sections to stabilize this wall and spread the load of the tiebacks on this retaining wall here. And so the crew's up there. One of the crews is up cutting the holes in this thick steel, so that takes a little bit of time. The other crew's bringing them down. These were missing plates, so the crew is waiting on plates to be delivered. That'll go underneath these nuts. The nuts are just there temporarily to hold this beam in place, but we'll have a steel plate there and some shims to really tighten this, add some tension, and add support to this retaining wall to ensure it never leans or fails ever again. There were also tons and tons of vertical piles installed here in this dirt area all along on all levels of this place, and I may have some footage I can show you guys. Hopefully I can find it. It's been a while since we've been out here, but I'm sure I have it on some of the archive drives of the tieback installations as well as the vertical helical pile installations to stabilize these multi-tier retaining walls, which is ultimately supporting this beautiful home.
Everybody thinks that I got rich and I walk around like you made. Pull out an iPhone, looking for it in the blue, making me so gay. Asking me about a rap beat, who, what, when, where, why, and my legs. Want me to snap out, snap creek, bitch, go that down.
Helical piles were installed on the outside perimeter of the home as well as on the interior, where I believe there are some grade beams, maybe some caissons. But ultimately, this area is where we're seeing most of the settlement, and that's why we're doing most of the repairs over here. So let's go catch a quick look at them drilling the holes out, and then we'll catch the crew bringing this next beam down and throwing it onto one of these tieback locations. How big's that hole you're drilling, Nick?
Huh?
How big's that hole you're drilling?
It says on that drill, but on that box right there, I think it's 2 inch.
2 inch.